Hello friends, my name is Habib. Today we're going to learn how to make fighting game in Scratch. So first you have to open up Scratch and then create a new project. Yeah. You see that I've already gotten two sprites set up. It's just Scratch Cat but was a different color. So first I'll make two sprites. This and this. Oh, I will copy this, make a new sprite, I'll put it over here. I'll just make the color the same. Yeah, it would make more sense for them to be using swords or guns instead of making their hand elongate, but whatever. So when flag clicked, first I will add controls. Now, instead of doing it the traditional way, I'll do it like this. Move, key, right arrow pressed, minus, key left arrow pressed. When the key right arrow pressed, it will return a value of 1, and when the key left arrow is pressed, it will return a value of 1. Treat that. If the key right arrow is pressed, it will be 1. If the left arrow is pressed, it will be 0 minus 1, which is negative 1. And yeah. It should be change X by, not move. No, not add comment. Copy this. So this will change Y by. Key up arrow pressed minus key down arrow pressed. Currently it's really slow. If if key space is pressed, switch costume to costume 2. It works, but I can see a problem. We want it so that when the key space is pressed, it will to do that. But else, if it's not pressed, switch costume to costume 1. Wait, let me delete this. Yes. I'll multiply these by a certain amount so that it's gonna be faster. What I want is that when you click on this, it will only punch once. Not that you're able to hold it like this. So we'll go here and I'll create a local variable called m, and m is equal to 0. Do that. Set m to 1. This sets m to 0. Now else, if it's not being pressed, set m to 0. Whoa, what's this? And turn this to if. Switch costume to costume 1 the beginning. I'll make a separate if statement, if then not key space pressed, and m equals to 0, an M equals to 1. If they're not key space pressed, set M to 1 to 0 and switch costume to costume 1. Here. It's meant to be not key space pressed. Let's do this. Oops. I'll move this as costume to costume 1 outside. Hey. If then M is equal to 0, that's costume 1. M is 1. Oops, I bet if M equals to 1, that's costume 1. Hey, why did I set M to 1 first? I was supposed to do this costume 2 sig first. Which to costume 2, and then set M to 1. If M is 1, do this. Yep. Save it out. Else set M to 0. Yikes. If M is equal to 0, switch costume to costume 1. If now hop. Oops. Now hop. Good. If M equals to 0, switch costume to costume 1. Hop. After this, M should be 0. Wait, let me do this. If then not key space pressed, switch the costume to costume 1. Wait, I meant set M to 0. Let me move this to another. When flag clicked forever, if key space is pressed, wait 0.1 seconds. It works now. Now I can copy this, duplicate this sprite, and instead change everything to blue. The blues might be slightly different, but doesn't matter. So now this will use the WASD keys. So this is going to be A. This will be D. This will be W. This will be S. Of course, this one's going to be facing right. It's reversed. D, A. Oh no. Then key J pressed. Oh, this is not key J pressed. And this is supposed to be key J pressed. Now, these sprites cannot actually do anything to each other. So I'll make a local variable for each of the sprites called HP. If this sprite is touching sprite 2, reduce HP by 1. What? And wait, where is it? Costume name of sprite 2. No, there's no costume name, be too much of a hassle. And costume number of sprites 2 is equal to 1, or is it equal to 2? Then change HP by -1. Oh no. It's equal to 2. Change HP by -1. Yep. Of course, I need to set the HP to a certain variable. Set HP to 10 and set HP to 10. Let me copy this code over from here to here. Oh yeah, and if then HP is less than 0, you know what to do. Hide the save seek here. Let's do this. Oh, what the? What? Why is it not working? I have to insert this into here. Also, this is supposed to be sprite 1. And this is supposed to be sprite 1. Hip. Hop. Hey, it's not working. Why? It works for this. Let's do this. This is supposed to be costume number. Like a depth defeat each other. Finally, I'll add a background. I'll go to here. Choose a backdrop. What should I do? Which backdrop? Let's choose this castle because the most climactic. Ready, steady. I have inserted this into the other one. So that's HP to 10. Ready, steady. Where did it go? Show. Anyways, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, ObaCode. Bye.